Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Timeless Tropical, and this is the sweet little birthday card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Timeless Tropical, and we are going to be using May Your Birthday Be Memorable. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to come in with my Magenta Madness. I have our stamp mounted on clear block C. Just like that. That's all the stamping we are doing. Going to bring in my Stampin' Embossing kit. Or cut and emboss, rather. And I have the, let me see, the Hippo and Friends dies. And then I have a piece of the Magenta Madness. So we'll run that through. All right, close this up. All right, and we can start putting this card together. I'm going to bring in my silicone sheet. All right, just like that. I'm going to give it a good rub down. Now, I am using First Frost Designer Series paper. I just wanted to show y'all that it doesn't have to be Christmas for you to use the Christmas paper. This is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to come in with the Magenta Madness. I think that's the woven ribbon. Trim that. All right, and then our card base is Magenta Madness, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Well, all right, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so just like that. And then I'm going to tie it all together with my enamel dots. And I'm just going to place 2 right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.